in the question it is asked that to find out the frequency of radiation emitted when the electron falls from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 1, and actually they have given the value of ionization energy of hydrogen, that is actually 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joule atom inverse. So here they have asked to calculate the frequency, and we know that the ionization energy when the electron undergoes the transition from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 1 minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 1 divided by 4 square minus 1 divided by 1 square. So this one we can take as equation 1, and we know that delta E is equal to h nu. So let us take this as equation 2, and if we substitute the value of this delta E here in this equation 2, then we will obtain h nu is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 1 divided by 16 minus 1 divided by 1. So if we bring this Planck's constant h here to the numerator, then minus 2.18 in 10 power minus 18 1 divided by 16 minus 1 divided by 1, here 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. So if we calculate this frequency, then we will obtain the value nu is equal to 3.08 into 10 power minus 10 power 15 second inverse. So this is the frequency of radiation that emitted when the electron falls from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 1, and this is the answer.